Hello everyone, welcome to the intraday video for Bitcoin price prediction, and of course based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support me with a like for this video and subscribe for more updates of course on this channel, and leave your comments and question below. I would be glad to answer it. And for more information how to trade all these signals that I give, of course, don't forget to watch the educational video in the description below, how to enter the perfect trade and exactly how to trade Elliott Wave, whether it is impulsive or corrective. So let's start on the 1 hour chart. What happened today? We are looking, of course, at an impulse towards the downside, and finally we have confirmed now that our diagonal bullish diagonal has been invalidated. So by all means now there is no more a bullish scenario, right? We are looking for lower prices. As you can see, we have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, this do not get tricked with it. We already still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internally to finish, which is kind of finished already. And we are still looking for a 4-5 towards the downside again. So by all means, your wave 3 is gonna finish somewhere here, right? After finishing this wave 3, this wave 3 here that you can see marked, then of course we are looking for again 4-5 towards the downside. Now on a bigger picture, what's gonna happen is that, of course, if we reach the 0.618, I'm gonna make it less messy here. So if we reach the 59,430, this is an invalidation for your impulse. By all means, if the price move up and touch this level at 59,400, that means your impulse is invalidated and we might see a reversal. However, until that it happens, of course we need our wave 4 to finish somewhere in this area here with the time as well, as you can see, which has started. Now of course after finishing the wave 3, we are looking for a 4 and a 5. Your wave 4, because your here wave 2 is a zigzag towards the downside and deep, hitting the 0.78, possibly that we see a flat for a wave 4, however preferably that it touch again the previous wave 4 of the wave 3, and then moving down again towards the downside. Now wave 5, your wave 5 target should be taken of course from the start of this impulse, from the 1, and if we take it of course with the wave 3, let's say it has ended here and we say wave 5 based over wave 1. So potentially your first target can be of course taken from the start of your wave 4 and hitting almost the 0.61857. This is as a primary target. Your most common target is the 1-to-1 at 56,950 almost. So these are the targets for this impulse that it might reach sooner or later. One more thing to mention, that of course because we see an impulse, after finishing this impulse we're gonna look for 3 waves up and then again possibly 5 waves down for a zigzag, and that will bring us to a scenario where we're gonna have a finished triangle for WXY. On this 4 hour chart, I can explain it much better of course. As you can see, we are in our impulse still, right? We are in our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and looking for wave 5, right? In your wave 4 here, the correction, the big correction wave 4, okay, we are looking to a WXY, and taking that in consideration that this is a finished zigzag, this is another regular flat, and now we are looking for a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and we already topped for a wave D and we're looking for a wave E. By all means, all your waves in this triangle should be zigzag, by the way. As Elliott Wave rules, of course, all the waves should be zigzag, as we can see here as well. This is a big zigzag, by the way, for the B. This is the A. This is the C, and a zigzag as well, WXY, as we saw for the D. Now, what we are looking as well for the E is a zigzag. Therefore, that's why I said when we finish this current impulse that we are into now, this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, we are looking for 3 waves towards the upside. Of course, we are looking a little bit, for lower prices, 3 waves up, then finishing another impulse or diagonal, hitting at least this trend line. Sometimes it doesn't hit it, it starts directly with the uptrend after it. So yeah, to mention that, of course, this is your target at this trend line, taken of course from the lower here of the A and the lower of the C. In a triangle on the 4-hour chart, if you want to have this trend line, of course, drawn on your charts, it would be preferably to have a signal. So what we are looking for is a zigzag. Exactly. Finishing first impulse, 3 waves up, then finishing final impulse, hitting the wave E, and moving up again for our bullish scenarios, again mentioned in the deep analysis in the weekend that I made in the video. You can search, of course, for it in the videos where the last deep analysis has been mentioned. However, these are our possibilities between bearish and a bullish scenario. For now, we have 70% for our WXY for a wave E, okay, finishing a triangle, right, sideways WXY, okay, as 3 wave considered, of course. The second scenario could be, of course, a wave C towards lower prices, and by all means, if we break lower than this wave E, which is less possibility, to be honest, because clearly we are looking to a triangle. However, if that happened, to be watched, of course, always, nothing is 100% sure. However, if we go lower, that means we are going for another zigzag towards the downside. Finishing, of course, here an A, B, C, and then, of course, a running flat. And we are looking for WXY almost to finish here. WXY in zigzag, 3 waves up, and a zigzag down again to finish this wave Y, and then moving up again towards the upside. And of course, then after this, we want to look back into our bullish scenario with higher possibilities, of course, after reaching those targets at least. In the next phase, when we finish this impulse, get a 3 waves up and start a new impulse, I'm gonna give you much more clearer targets, of course, for your wave E or for this wave here, which has 0.6886 already given almost. So that was it for Bitcoin price update, the intraday video. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for the channel for more updates. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.